Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how you can use Trello for daily planning. Let's get started. First, create a new board and give it a name like Daily Planner. After that, set up a few lists to organize your work. Common lists are To Do, In Progress, and Done. You can also add another list such as Today's Priorities if you want to stay more focused. Now start adding cards for each task or activity you have planned. For example, replying to emails, an 11 a.m. team meeting, finishing a report, and other tasks. Inside each card, you can add due times, color labels, or even checklists to break the task into smaller and easier steps. As your day goes on, simply move the cards from To Do to In Progress and then to Done once the task is completed. If you want to make things even easier, you can use Butler automation to automatically move cards based on due times or when checklists are finished. At the end of the day, take a look at your Done list. This is a simple way to review your work and get ready for the next day.